Fire department operator 75. What's the address, please?
And 16 لحيطان أفريطان. Hello. وريا مين مقشع وريا هذا.
I'm here. What's the address? I'm waiting for you to tell me.
1625 Street.
Is it a house, apartment?
Is a house. أبا دقاك فورة.
What is across street at the corner of Harris Avenue?
Aluta.
Is Elizabeth or Marcel Street close to you?
Yes.
All right. What is your phone number, please?
614 لح تضوء إلى يسقال.
What's wrong right now?
Oh, oday markaan sana qof moos ii dhiga ma fahamtay. So I just want an ambulance.
How old are you?
I'm 20, homeboy.
You're male?
I'm a man. What the fuck?
What happened to you?
Oh, I fell down so badly. I'm feeling pain everywhere. madaxa dhagaa lafta xaarka jilicsan. Kitaabka dhuusada xataa cishan la.
What'd you fall off of?
Jaranjara ka soo dhacay. But why you asking all that question, bro?
Well, we need to get the information so we know what ambulance to send.
Bullshit.
Mm-hmm. You've been drinking it all tonight?
What?
You've been drinking it all tonight?
Hell.
All right, listen real carefully. We're on the way out to your house at 16121 South Harris Avenue. That's in Compton. Does that sound correct to you?
Yes, yeah, like it for you. Don't have to bring all that sad and shit, okay?
Oh, yeah, okay.
And pick me up to the Halal hospital, okay?
That's where you want to go?
Yeah, cause in Adirkia Escale.
Oh, fantastic. They don't think they'll really care, though. They'll try to give you the best help they can.
Okay.
You having any trouble breathing right now?
What the hell no? What are they going to